Which finding from Asmerom and colleagues' study, if true, would most directly support their conclusion? The Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ, a band of clouds that encircles Earth in the tropics and is a major rainfall source, shifts position in response to temperature variations across Earth's hemispheres. Data from Huaguapo Cave in Peru suggests the ITCZ shifted south during the Little Ice Age, circa 1300 to 1850, but a shift as far into South America as Huaguapo should have led to dry conditions in Central America, which is inconsistent with climate models. To resolve the issue, geologists Yemaine Asmerom and colleagues collected data from Yok Balam Cave in Central America and compared them with the Huaguapo data. They concluded that during the Little Ice Age, the ITCZ may have expanded northward and southward rather than simply shifted. So option choice A says, neither the Yok-Balam data nor the Huaguapo data show significant local variation in temperature during the Little Ice Age. This is incorrect, because looking at the conclusion by Asmerom and colleagues, they say that during the Little Ice Age, the ITCZ may have expanded northward and southward rather than simply shifted. So the sign of the ITCZ shifting northward and southward would be if both of these areas experienced a greater amount of rainfall or saw less dryness. So the fact that neither the Yok-Balam data nor the Huaguapo data show significant local variations in temperature during the Little Ice Age is unrelated to the shifting of the ITCZ, and therefore A is incorrect. B. Both the Yok-Balam data and the Huaguapo data showed increased temperatures and prolonged dry conditions during the Little Ice Age. This is incorrect because the fact that both these two areas showed prolonged dry conditions means that the ITCZ did not shift to these areas. And because the Yok-Balam area is in Central America and the Huaguapo area is in South America, this would mean that the ITCZ did not go into any of these areas, which goes against most of the information in the text, and therefore this does not support the conclusion by Asmerom and colleagues. So B is incorrect. C. The Yok-Balam data showed prolonged dry conditions during the same portions of the Little Ice Age in which the Huaguapo data showed heightened levels of rainfall. This is incorrect because this would not support the conclusion here, which is that during the Little Ice Age the ITCZ expanded northward and southward rather than simply shifted. But the fact that the Yok-Balam data showed prolonged dry conditions would mean that the ITCZ didn't go to this area, and the fact that the Huaguapo data showed heightened levels of rainfall means that the ITCZ went down to South America, which would go against the conclusion by Asmerom and colleagues, and is therefore incorrect. D. The Yok-Balam data and the Huaguapo data show strongly correlated patterns of high rainfall during the Little Ice Age. So this is the correct answer because this properly shows that the ITCZ expanded both northward and southward during the Little Ice Age, because the ITCZ is a major source of rainfall, and the fact that during this time the Yok-Balam and the Huaguapo data show high levels of rainfall means that the ITCZ expanded both into South America and into Central America, which is the main premise of the conclusion by Asmerom and colleagues. Therefore, the correct answer is D.